How to start push-ups. Want to do a proper push-up but don't know where to start? Maybe you've tried before but your hips sag, your elbows flare, or you simply can't push yourself back up. You don't have to worry at all. You don't need to start with a perfect floor push-up. Today, we'll build your push-up from the ground up. Welcome to All Ages Fitness channel, where anyone can get stronger, move better, and live healthier. This is episode 1 of our Push-Up Foundation series. Today, you'll learn the correct setup, how to perform the movement, and how to choose the right starting level for your current strength. Let's get started. What does a push-up train? The push-up primarily trains your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Your core and glutes also work to keep your body stable throughout the movement. So while it's a pressing exercise, it's also a full body movement that requires control. Set up your push-up. Start on your hands and knees. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Use a position that feels comfortable and stable. Extend your legs behind you and come into your push-up position. Now create one strong line from your head through your shoulders, hips, and feet. Brace your core and gently squeeze your glutes. Your body should move together throughout the exercise. Lower with control. Take a breath and brace your core. Bend your elbows and slowly lower your entire body toward the floor. Keep your elbows controlled rather than letting them flare straight out. Lower only as far as you can while maintaining good form. You don't need to touch your chest to the floor. Push back up. Now push the floor away from you. Straighten your arms while keeping your chest, hips, and legs moving together. Don't let your hips rise first or sag toward the floor. Return to the starting position. That's one push-up. Find your starting level. If a standard push-up is too difficult right now, that's completely fine. Choose a variation that allows you to maintain good form. Level 1. Wall push-up. Start with a wall push-up if you're new to strength training or need the easiest option. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on it. Step back and perform the same controlled movement. Level 2. Incline push-up. Next, try an incline push-up using a sturdy, elevated surface. The lower the surface, the more challenging the exercise becomes. Level 3. Knee push-up. Then move to knee push-ups. Keep your knees on the floor while maintaining a straight line from your knees through your hips and shoulders. Level 4. Negative push-up. The goal is to train the lowering phase under control. Start in the standard push-up position. Lower your body toward the floor as slow as possible. Once you reach the bottom, lower your knees to the floor and return to the starting position. Level 5. Standard push-up. When you're strong enough to maintain good form, progress to the standard push-up. Your push-up progression. Your progression can be simple: wall, incline, knee, negative, then standard push-ups. Stay at each level until you can perform controlled repetitions with good form. You don't need to rush the progression. Build strength first. Practice session. Now it's time to practice. Choose the push-up variation that's right for you. We'll perform 3 sets of 5 to 8 controlled repetitions. If you're using an easier variation, you can work toward 8 to 12 reps. Ready? Let's begin. Set 1. Set your hands. Brace your core. Lower slowly. Push the floor away. Keep your body moving together. And repeat. Rest 60 to 90 seconds. Take a short rest and prepare for the next set. Set 2. Stay controlled. Keep your elbows in a comfortable position. Lower with control. Push back up. Keep your hips aligned. Finish your set. Rest 60 to 90 seconds. One more set. Set 3. Final set. Focus on quality, not speed. Control every repetition. Keep your body strong and finish. Your practice plan. Practice your chosen variation 2 to 3 times this week. Perform 2 to 3 sets per session using controlled repetitions. As your current variation becomes easier, move to the next level rather than simply chasing more reps. If you can't do a standard push-up yet, don't worry. Your starting point doesn't matter nearly as much as your progress. Start with the variation you can control, build your strength, and progress one step at a time. In episode 2, we'll take the next step and work toward building your first 10 push-ups. Subscribe to All Ages Fitness channel and follow the series. Start where you are. Move with control. Get stronger one rep at a time. We'll see you at the next workout.